Video mo.
Bibidyo nga.
Do you have the hook? Done mo hook thing? Video kasi. Ha?
Nahirap. Ay, grabe.
Layo na yung tinakbo, no? Don't let it go down. Your friend has hook? No. Nobody has hook, yeah? Walang hook. This one for catching.
Ay, nakakapagod.
There on the rope.
Babayaan mo muna pala tumakbo.
Kanya baka lakas yung diamond? Minsan. Don't dip it in the water, it will die.
Ano pag diamond?
Don't put it in the water, it will die.
Ano pa diamond?
The diamond tribal yung malapad. Parang ano, parang talakito. Ah, he has this one. Maybe with this one. Jeff, can you tell me what to do? Maybe I can help you something? It's okay. I'm tired. You want me to come help? Oh, it's okay.
Pag nakaisa ka pala, pagod ka na talaga.
There are a lot of rats in that area. That's why I want to bring it here. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm telling you go this way.
Yun.
Check it out.
Saan ba? Malayo pa.
I bet for king. Diamond. Wow. Big one. Ah, laki. Diamond. Ayan, no?
Ayun. Oo, nakikita ko.
Diamond. Diamond. I told you diamond. You catch it by the tail, man. Very pagi.
Na time pagi.
Oh, yeah. Be careful, huh?
Grabe.
Oh, it's okay. This rock's no problem. Step.
Ay, ubos ang lakas mo nga dyan. Ay. Grabe.
Don't break like that, man. Grab the tail. Grab the tail. Yeah. Laki. Maliit pa lang yun eh. Ha?
Oh, ano isda yan, Diamond? Ubos ang lakas.
Mabluk.
Hindi ka talaga pauwiin ng walang dala ah.